Take a ride in the 2018 Chevrolet Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, climate control, front-wheel drive. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.